All right, 60-second van tour. We got Tyler. He's a canyoneering guide. Let's see his van. He wants to clean it just like everyone else. Oh man, he looks like really nice. He made some breakfast. This is the real van life. Show them around. 60 seconds. We're 14 seconds in. Oh, he's gonna unlock the doors. Oh, these things. These are clutch. I had these on my last van. Those are nice to have. Dang, a tire in the front. You built this nice. Going to the back. We're gonna get to see the back. What's your name? What's the name of your van?
Scooby.
How long have you lived in it?
For about a year.
Oh man, Scooby the van. Double roof rack thing on the back, swing away bumper. Got the trasheroo, the bike on the top. What a sick setup. Dang, the drawers. Oh, these are nice. How long did it take you to build it?
It's about a year.
We got 3 more seconds. Oh, just give a quick vanning ain't no joke shout out.
Vanning ain't no joke.
Oh dang.